Hi beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I will show you how to use ginger and onion to grow unstoppable hair growth, thicken up your hair, stop hair fall, and also regrow your hair in crown section. So if you want to know how to use this two remedy to boost that hair growth, keep on watching. This is my ginger and my onion. I've already washed my ginger off camera, so I'm just trying to cut out the part that is not needed, the part that I feel that they are not good. I'm not peeling the skin of the ginger, but if you like, you can peel the skin of your ginger. I like using the skin of my ginger together because the skin of the ginger also have its own benefit in our hair. Ginger helps improve the circulation of the scalp, stimulates each hair follicles, promotes longer and stronger hair, control dandruff, strengthen hair, prevent hair fall, stimulate hair growth, condition your hair, prevent premature growing, prevent hair loss, and also contribute to restore moisture loss to your hair. Ginger also helps to stimulate blood flow to your scalp. Ginger is a very great natural remedy that will help to give you that faster hair growth. Ginger is very effective in thickening up your hair, giving you fuller hair, and also help to stop your hair fall and hair breakage. So after removing the parts that I don't need on the ginger, next thing I bring my onion, and the onion I will also be removing the skin, and also I'm cutting out the tail and the head. Onion can help with hair growth because it contains sulphur to promote strong and thick hair, prevent hair loss, and promote hair growth. The sulphur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Guys, combination of this onion and ginger, they are mind-blowing. If you're looking for a way to boost your hair growth faster, you don't need to joke with this simple remedy. They are very simple, but the result of using this remedy you got on it is mind-blowing. This will grow your hair like crazy. This will stop that your hair fall immediately effect, and also it will help you to thicken up your hair, help you to boost that crazy hair growth, stop your itching scalp. If you're experiencing itching scalp, this remedy should be your friend. Okay, use them and you see a great change on your hair. If you want to see how to boost your hair growth natural way faster, onion and ginger should be one of that remedy that will help you to achieve that faster. What I'm doing now, I'm dicing my onion and ginger into a small sizable, because after peeling off the skin of the onion and the tail, what I do, I went off camera to wash it. Okay, do not forget to wash the remedy before you start using it. After dicing them into a small sizable, I bring my blender cup to pour them into my blender cup so that I can blend it. After pouring them into my blender cup, next thing now I need to add a little water on it so that it can be easy to blend. My blender cannot blend it without me adding water. So if your blender can blend it without you adding water on it, please go ahead and blend it. But mine cannot blend it without adding water. That's why I add that little water as you see. After blending it off camera, this is what I have so far. I bring my bowl and my sheaf cloth to collect my onion and ginger juice. This is what we need, is the juice that we need. We do not need the particles or the residues. So you need to use something that have very tiny hole to strain this so that the residues will not be into the juice. Okay, we don't need that to stock on our hair. All you need is the juice. So next thing, I bring my spray bottle to transfer my ginger and onion juice into my spray bottle for application time. So after transferring them into there, I'll add my homemade oil. Use any of your hair growth oil. You can also add essential oil at this point. After then, I will shake it very well. This remedy is ready to be used. So I will show you how to use it. There are two ways you can use it to boost that crazy hair growth, and one of them is my favorite. So if you want to grow your hair like crazy, you need to watch the video to the end, because I will tell you that my favorite, it will really help you to boost that crazy hair growth faster than this first method I'm sharing with you now. So this is the stage of my hair. My hair is super dirty. I'm using this now as a prep, okay? Like as I said, I have two ways to use this on my hair to get that massive hair growth, and the other way is the best way for me to use it, is give me crazy faster results. So if you want this to grow your hair faster, if you want to see the fastest result on it, you need to watch the video to the end, so that you hear when I will tell you the best time and the best way to use it to get that crazy faster results. But before you use this, make sure that you always shake it, because the oil will always separate, and also the ginger and the onion whitening will also settle in down. So for you to get all the benefits of this recipe, always shake it, okay, before you use it. It's very, very important, okay? So I'm going to apply this on my hair very well. Focus on my scalp. My focus is on the scalp, because hair growth comes from scalp. And also, if you're experiencing itching scalp, dry hair, this recipe is for you. It will help to stop that itching scalp immediately. Guys, this also helps to solve your irritation problem. If you are struggling for irritation scalp, your scalp is irritating, or you have any scalp infection, with this home remedy, say bye bye to that itching scalp. This also very effective to solve any of your scalp problem that you have. This will give you faster results. In one application, you see the effective results on it. Especially if you want to stop hair fall, try to use this recipe, okay? And you see how your hair will stop falling immediately. And also, if you want to thicken up your hair, try to use this recipe. Using these two combination of ingredients, they are so amazing. They are my favorite, especially when I started my natural hair journey new. These two remedy is my favorite remedy, because they are very, 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 very powerful, very, very potent in growing your hair. This will grow your hair like crazy. There are different ways you can combine these two ingredients, and you have that crazy hair growth you desire, okay? So, and also, whatsoever you apply on your hair, try to work in session. Working in session will help you a lot to have full access to your hair, to make sure that the product you are using really saturates all over your hair and also on your scalp. Is very, very necessary. So I'll be applying this on my hair generously. Make sure that I coat it both on my scalp and also on the strand of my hair. Each session I'm through, I'll just twist it and keep that section away and move to next session. How to get best results on using this as a pre-poo? Please do not rush and wash it out. Whenever you use this as a pre-poo, for you to get that best result is covering your hair and leave your hair to stay from 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, 4 hours if possible, but at least from 1 hour to 2 hours. This have done in good on your hair, okay? Do not cover it up and leave it for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. You will not get that good result on it. Try to leave it from 1 hour and you get the best results. Then rinse it out and shampoo your hair. Continue with your wash day routine, okay? And how many times can you use this as a pre-poo to get best results? You can use this once in a week, okay? Using it once in a week, if you're not washing your hair every week, you can use it once in a week. Like after using the first week, you wash your hair with your shampoo. The second week, if you're not washing your hair that second week with a shampoo, just apply this recipe on that hair, massage your scalp and cover up your hair 1 hour and rinse it with a clean water. Don't use shampoo on it unless you are doing it on your wash day routine. Like I wash my hair once in 2 weeks. So if I'm using this now every week, is only when I want to shampoo my hair, that's when I will use shampoo on my hair. I hope you're understanding me, okay? And also use this regularly, especially if you are struggling for hair loss, hair breakage, thinning hair, brittle hair, damaged hair. You want to repair that hair, you want to boost that faster hair growth, use this once in a week and you get that faster results. Like as I said, I have 2 ways to use this recipe. The second way I use it is the best way to give you that crazy hair growth. Why did I choose this as the best way? Because I'm not shampooing my hair again. So the second way is using it as a conditioner. Yes, using it as a conditioner is the best way to use this if you want to see the crazy effective of this. If you want to see the faster result of this, use it as a conditioner. Conditioner I mean is after shampooing my hair, I will apply this on my hair, massage my scalp very well, cover my hair to 1 hour and above, rinse it out and deep condition my hair. In that way, I'm not shampooing my hair again. So the whole benefits, all the whole nutrients of this recipe is still on my hair. You know, when you use it as a pre-poo shampoo your hair, a lot of them or a lot of benefits of this recipe is out of your hair. So if you want to solve that hair problem faster, itching scalp faster, you want to thicken up your hair faster, you want to stop that hair fall faster, you want to repair that brittle hair faster, use this as a conditioner and you will see a great result on your hair. You can also use it once in a week, okay, as a conditioner, and your hair will never remain the same. So, and whenever you do this, make sure that you moisturize your hair, okay, especially if you're using this as a conditioner. Make sure you moisturize your hair. It will help you to keep your hair safe, to keep your hair moisturized, and also help your hair to keep on driving by growing faster, okay. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not subscribed up to this point, please help me to click on that subscribe button, okay. And once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please help me to like this video. If you have not liked the video up to this point, please help me to click on that like button. It really encourages me and also it helps the growth of the channel. And please share this video to your family and friends so that they will get the good news on today's video. I hope this video is very helpful to you. I have come to end of today's video. If there's any question you feel like to ask me, please feel free to ask and I will glad to answer your questions, okay. So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.